Hi guys, Miss Allison. We're going to do another experiment. This time we're going to make a lava lamp. So, to do this, you need to have some oil and some water and an empty bottle, some food coloring, and some Alka-Seltzer. So, to do this first, Felicia will pour about a half a cup of water into the bottle. Excellent. All right, so now, Livy, I'll hold your banana. We'll pour about a half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of oil into the measuring cup, and we're gonna pour that right on top of the water.
Three-quarters.
Mm-hmm. That's good. We're gonna pour that right on top of the water.
That's 1/3. Not three. That's not 3/4.
Pour it right on top of the water. And the oil, at first will mix, but then it will sit on top of the water.
Because science.
Because science. Because oil is less dense than water.
Yeah, but they don't know.
So if you see, even though she poured it in, the water's on the bottom and the oil's on the top. Because the water is heavier, it weighs more than the oil. Now, Felicia's gonna take the food coloring and drop about 6 drops into the bottle.
Did it come out? No.
Do we have any?
Oh, well, that's awkward. 2. I think we have more in there.
You get
Trying.
Hurry, all right, well, don't make a big mess out of it. You're getting on. Again, my kids.
What? How am I supposed to?
All right.
Hey. Pull that out. Okay, how many drops are in there? 2.
I don't know.
Oh, dang it.
Just put it in, please. All right. So we're gonna she's dropping a couple of drops in. So if you watch, it's gonna go right through the oil down into the water. It will eventually break down into the water. So right now it's just kind of sitting, you can see it on top of the oil.
You're supposed to shake it?
It's supposed to break the plane and go through into the water.
Have you done this before?
Yes, I've done it before.
Let's just try it.
Give me like a straw.
You got some on your hand too.
I know. See, now it's going to go down into the water. Make the water blue. Okay. But if you notice, the oil and the water are still separate. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of the Alka-Seltzers.
There's 2 of them in there.
And we're going to break it in half and we're going to drop it into
Tastes gross.
Oh, it's awful. I didn't ask you to eat it. I'm just asking you to drop it in the bottle. Break it in half.
Okay.
And we're going to drop both pieces in.
At the same time?
Mm-hmm. And it's reacting. And it should pull up.
I can't see it, Mama.
Some of the blue. It'll pull the blue water up into the oil. And when it pulls the blue water up into the oil,
You can't see it on your phone, Mom.
Yes, I can. It's making big blue bubbles because when the food coloring is in the oil, it holds together. But when it gets back down into the water, it separates out. And that is how you make a lava lamp. So hopefully this is one you guys can do at home and watch. It's pretty fun to do.